Hi, my name is Madison, and today I'm going to show you how to change the free URL that comes with your Ecwid by Lightspeed instant site. When you sign up for Ecwid, you are automatically given a free instant site for your store with a unique URL. By default, your free web address looks like this: store123.company.site. The built-in URL consists of two parts. First, store123, a subdomain that you can edit. For example, you can rename it to your brand name or use keywords related to your business. And the second part, company site, which is a top-level domain that is constant and cannot be changed. To change your subdomain, start at your dashboard and navigate to Website Domain. Then click on Change Address. In the site address field, enter a new subdomain for your site. Try to choose something short and relevant to your company so it's easy for your customers to remember. If the subdomain you want is already in use, you will be notified after clicking Save. Otherwise, you'll receive a confirmation that your domain has been successfully changed. You can come back here to change your domain at any time.